all get more snacks.
Oh, dear Lord. Not joking.
This is Bob Cratchit's house.
How do you know that?
You just told me.
Well, I'm usually trustworthy.
Who's that?
Mrs. Cratchit, of course.
Whoa, God!
Knock it off!
This is part of me, This is coming away! This is part of me, What? I think so hot.
Oh, that smells wonderful.
Oh, good grief.
Hey, I'm stuck. Get me out of here.
I knew you weren't suited for literature.
Oh, at least I landed on something soft. And hot. Ooh, 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 hot, ooh, hot, 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 hot.
That does it. Oh, come on, look, they're starting a whole new scene. That looks worse. That does it. Show business is not for you. Oh, but Mom, look, they're starting a whole new scene. That looks worse.
Yeah, he's real dogged about this kind of thing.
Mother! I thought you said we couldn't eat the chestnuts until Father and Tiny Tim get home.
Oh, I wasn't eating them. I was merely checking them to see if they were not burnt. It's a chef's thing, dear. And do not shout, Bettina.
I'm Belinda.
I'm Bettina. Of course you are, Bettina.
Belinda!
Whatever.